Hey guys, it's Yani here.
I'm Fabio.
And we're back with another video. Today's video we're going to be reacting to Daryl Ong, Bugoy, Katrina Velarde, and Khel singing
I don't know.
One Sweet Day by Mariah Carey. And
Mariah Carey. Seriously?
he doesn't like Mariah Carey! So this video went viral and we're reacting to it. Many of you have recommended this video. I'm sorry we're so late because we're so busy. And this video, what are we eating, Fabio?
Ciabatta bun with olive oil.
It's just a bread and people dip it.
It's with the olives, you see?
People dip it in olive oil and balsamic vinaigrette.
Careful.
Subscribe to this channel. And without further ado, Fabio's channel too. Let's get right into the video! We dedicate this to everyone who lost their loved ones. Daryl Ong. Oh, look at Michael.
Oh, this song. Okay.
Don't you like this?
I like it.
I'm curious how Katrina's voice is gonna be. Because Mariah in this song is very breathy.
This is beautiful. He has a beautiful voice.
We reacted to him before.
Oh, who is it?
Michael Pangilinan.
Oh, I don't remember him.
Forgetful. Wow. She's so pretty. Yes, Mariah. Her voice is always so powerful.
I like her better than Mariah. Wow.
Bugoy is so handsome now. I remember him before when I was in the Philippines.
Who's the guy with the very short hair? So cute.
The white or the black?
The black one.
That's Khel, I think. I don't know.
She has amazing technique. Look at the braids.
Well, she's the one who always impersonates artists, right?
Yeah.
Bugoy is so handsome now.
Very handsome.
I love the hair. He's the winner of one of that TV contest. Oh my god, he's amazing as always. Oh, I think it's Boys to Men. Boys to Men.
Nice, I like it. I really don't like this lyrics, it's hideous.
Oh my god, I love their harmony. Oh my god, they're familiar. It's Darren. Darren who? Oh yeah, him. No, I don't know. Yeah, that was good. That was
Isn't it the one that did Adele?
That was yeah. I got goosebumps. These are all powerful singers.
She's good.
Their voices match so well.
Yeah.
Wow, Michael Pangilinan is so good.
So this guy with a black leather jacket and Katrina are the top two for me. He's just cute.
I can't remember if
right
Bugoy
there.
could sing high notes. I know he's very technical because he came from Pinoy Dream Academy. Wow. Wow. Those runs. Harmony. Wow, that was so good. It's almost as if better than the original.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching.
You're
Please
welcome.
don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channels. Mine is Daryl Ong
I'm not
Official.
doing
Oh, they all have
And
each
Sabi mo po,
individual
Michael
YouTube channels.
Official.
Katrina Velarde.
Yep. Please
I'm subscribed.
follow the leader.
Follow me, Bugoy Delon.
Yes, thank you
Tama,
guys.
thank you.
Katrina, I'm subscribed to you, so don't worry, girl. I got you. The other ones, I'm not, and I'm not going to be.
Final thoughts!
So final thoughts. They're super. See, they're super talented. They're absolutely super talented. Even individually, I can tell they know what they're doing. They don't just play around. You know, I'm not a big fan
You're
of.
just such a hater of Mariah Carey.
No, it's not for that. I'm not a huge fan. So first of all, the lyrics are hideous to me. Second of all, I love the harmonies.
Okay, their message was so beautiful. The beginning of the video, they were like, we dedicate this song to people who've lost their loved ones or something like that.
Okay.
Okay, whatever.
Like, can I say my
Carry
thought?
on, go forever.
That's my thought. If someone likes the lyrics, good for them. They'll rewatch it a million times. No?
Sure.
Yeah, I just don't like the lyrics. Harmonies were very good, technique-wise, amazing,
Individually and both together.
individually and both together. But as you guys know, if you've been following these videos, I'm not a huge fan
Of ballads.
No, I love ballads. I just don't love too much. To me, it was just too much. Too many
I don't
harmonies.
think it wasn't. I don't think it was too much. I think it was
it
just
was
the
a
right
beautiful.
amount.
It was,
That's
look,
how the song was meant to be arranged. That's how the song
Yeah,
was meant
'cause
to be sung.
yeah, because
and it
it's
was
close
arranged
to the
like the
original.
original.
Yeah, I know.
So what did you...
First of all, I don't like the original. Okay.
Okay, well
So
then.
let's start from there.
Let's start from there. You don't like the song, period. But let's talk
Period.
about their singing.
Their singing is great. I just didn't like this song.
Okay. Well, I love the song. I love the singing. And all of them together combined, beautiful. Especially during the bridge when they all started singing high notes.
Yeah.
That was beautiful. Katrina and the other guy, the black leather jacket guy, whatever his name is, all singing high notes at the same time. And then Michael Pangilinan was also singing high notes, and Bugoy was also singing high notes. It was amazing.
It's a crazy hard technical song to do.
Mhm.
It's so insane. Like, I can imagine the amount of rehearsals they put in this song. But yeah, did it give you emotions? Like you were emotional?
No, because I was eating this.
Yeah, that gave me more emotions than this performance. I
Anyway,
just want to see them all individually.
thank you guys for watching. We really love you guys. Thank you for
wasn't-
subscribing. Please, okay. Fami's
Yeah,
not done.
no, I'm done. I'm done now.
Oh my god, we're watching tonight.
We are. Why are you wearing my t-shirt? This is mine for work. Then I never have t-shirts. God damn it.
Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time.
See ya.
Bye.